Hi you guys, how you doing? I miss you very much. I saw our friend Paul yesterday in the alley and he was making boats out of corks. And I thought this is such a cool idea because even though we don't have corks to make our boats out of, we can still make boats out of other stuff. And one of the best things to make boats out of is aluminum foil. Everybody can have aluminum foil in their house and something to float it in. So this is that plastic thing that we use in our classroom to mix up stuff all the time. And this one I just filled it up with a little bit of water today. So when we make our boat, we can make sure that it really is a boat and that it floats and there's something in it. I guess it's a leaf or something, it's not so important. Anyway, so here's a piece of aluminum foil I'm going to try to use to make a boat. And a boat that will float in this container of water. So I want my boat to be as strong as possible. And you can mess around with, other stuff, aluminum foil, corks like Paul had, whatever. See how big a boat you can make. Because if you make your boat bigger and bigger, then you can put something in it, like blocks, or markers, or beans, or coins, or something, just to see how much space you can actually have in your boat. So, my boat is gonna look a little bit like a rectangle, and that's okay. And I would really like it very much if the corners didn't leak. Because that's the thing about aluminum foil, is that if you're doing this, you don't want to get a hole in your aluminum foil because then of course it will leak. And that's not okay. So here's my first attempt at making a boat. I just kind of scrunch the corners together. You are smart kids, you'll come up with even a better idea than me. And I'm going to put it in my container of water here and see if it will float. La la! Now, I have some Legos right here. See if I can put Legos in here. How many Legos like this do you suppose will float on my boat? I'm going to put them in kind of gently so I don't accidentally sink my boat. Oh, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks a little bit like a freighter, doesn't it? Ooh, I wonder if this big one will fit. I wonder if this other big one will fit. It's still floating by itself. Should I put enough on so that it'll sink? Maybe I will. Then I'll know what not to put on, right? Okay. So here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Like this. I'm kind of running out of room in my boat.